clinically shown to reveal smoother looking skin overnight. Yes, please. Hey beauties, it's Riri. I just received my spring Walmart beauty box. I'll pop all of our information right here. If you're unfamiliar though, this is roughly $8-ish a month. I know that they did a recent price increase, but of course you would have seen it on the screen. I feel like it's a great value. I like that we see a lot of new drugstore releases. We get a good blend of like skincare, makeup, we've got deodorant, hair care, things like that. So I'm quite intrigued to see what we got. Here is our little sneaky peeky. And then we do have a little pamphlet and stuff like that, so we'll go over details when we're done. First thing right on top is the Soothe with Tea Tree Oil and Rosemary, the Scalp Care Shampoo and Conditioner, little sampler. Next up is, oh, my son's gonna love this. I'm gonna hold these back for him. These are the GOURMANDE, the Premium Whitening Strips. Gradually whitens teeth with each use. No mess dry strip technology with natural coconut oil. There's 14 strips in here. And the butter on gums tooth brushes, he absolutely loves those, so I think he's really gonna like these too. I may test one out and just kind of see what I think, but I think that he would really love this, and I like that we get several of them to really try it out. Next up, something I buy consistently and use all the time. This is the Nair Body Cream Hair Remover, Soothing Aloe and Water Lily. I think the one I get is like a vanilla something, but I use this consistently. I swear by it. I love it, and that's a really good size too. Ooh, what are you? Next up is the Origin, the Amalfi Love Bloom Orange Blossom Love Story Fragrance. Ooh, 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 that sounds great. Look at that bottle. Wow. And I'll put it right here so you guys can see the notes and things like that. I do already have fragrance on because I'm about to leave in a few minutes, so I'm not going to be demoing this or smelling it today, but let me know if you have tested that. Next up, I feel like a staple in a lot of our subscription boxes. This is the Good Molecules Yerba Mate Wake Up Eye Gel. Reduce signs of puffiness and plump the appearance of fine lines. Almost positive this is a full size. Next up, another staple in our home. We love Gold Bond. This is the Gold Bond Age Renew Retinol Overnight Face and Body Lotion. Clinically shown to reveal smoother looking skin overnight. Yes, please. That sounds fantastic to me, y'all. All right, and then last up, I think, yes. Last up, another all-time favorite brand that my husband and I both love. This is the La Roche-Posay, the Toleriane Purifying Foaming Cleanser. We swear by their sun protection, their SPF sunscreens. Love, 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 love. So that is what that looks like. Let me go into our little card over here. And it is Spring Beauty in Bloom Walmart Beauty Box. It does give us a rundown of the products and stuff like that in our box, and then how much the full size would be for you to purchase it. The La Roche-Posay, the Toleriane Purifying Foaming Cleanser. The full size would be $19.97 for 13.52 fluid ounces. A gentle daily cleanser for normal to oily sensitive skin from the brand trusted by over 100,000 dermatologists worldwide. Next up was our little Soothe little sachets. The Hask, oh, it's from Hask. I didn't even see that, y'all. My bad. The Hask, like back in the day, like the K18 is my favorite now, but the Hask lavender something hair dry shampoo was my favorite for many years. This is the Hask Soothe with tea tree oil. This is the Hask Soothe Tea Tree Oil Scalp Care Shampoo and Conditioner. The full sizes will be $7.97 for 16 fluid ounces. The GOURMANDE, this is a full size item, yes. The GOURMANDE Teeth Whitening Strips, full size is $10.47 for 14 pieces, so this more than, pays for our box. The Gold Bond Age Renew Retinol Overnight Face and Body Lotion, even the full size is $11.97. That's 1.7 ounces. And in our box, we got like 0.75. I think that's enough to test it and kind of see what our thoughts and stuff are. Next up was the Origin Amalfi Love Bloom Eau de Parfum. The full size would only be $19.97 for 5.87 fluid ounces. That bottle is beautiful. Next up, pretty sure this is another full size. This is the Good Molecules Yerba Mate Wake Up Eye Gel. The full size is $5.97. And then the Nair Body Cream Hair Remover with Soothing Aloe and Water Lily. The full size would be $5.84. And again, I've used this many times. We're, you know, fans of La Roche-Posay. I like this box overall for sure. I definitely am going to give it a 5 out of 5. I think it's a great value. Like I said, it's roughly like $8 or $9 now. And I think originally when I started getting this, maybe it was like $5. So I understand shipping costs, inflation, cost of living, you guys, everything's too darn expensive right now. I still see value in it though, and these are products that are already, like, for me and in our household, they're already heavy hitters for us. So I'd like to know what you guys thought. Comment down below, let me know what you thought of the box. What are some of your favorite subscriptions? Do you hate subscriptions? Look, I know some of y'all swear by them. Some of you guys are like me and always see value. Some of you can't stand them. Some of you absolutely hate subscription boxes. So I know there are always people on both sides of the fence, either way. But yeah, I always see value. I think it's a great curation this time around. Yeah, I'm excited to see what summer brings. That is it. Thank you guys so much for joining. I hope you guys have the most amazing day. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you did enjoy. You can hype the video. You can tap the bell so you never miss any of my videos. And there's a join button down below you can click to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.